guys, I'm Nika and I am a home baker. A lot of you messaged me and requested a rolled fondant recipe. So for this video, we will be making an easy fondant recipe made with marshmallows. So we will start with 8 ounces of marshmallow, then add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Next, we will pop this in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now don't worry if you don't have a microwave, you can do this on a double boiler. After 30 seconds, we will mix this together until our mallows have melted. Now since there are still lumps of mallows, we will microwave this again for 30 seconds. Again, mix this together until there are no more lumps. Now this is optional, it's up to you if you want to add in a bit of flavor. Here I am adding a lemon flavor, but strawberry or bubblegum is also a good option. Next, we will add in 1 cup of our sifted powdered sugar in the bowl. It is very important that the powdered sugar is sifted in order to achieve a smooth fondant. Next, we will then apply lard on our counter and coat our hands with lard so that our fondant won't stick once we need it. We will then transfer and knead our fondant into the counter and slowly incorporate powdered sugar until the fondant has come together and it doesn't stick to the hands and counter. And that's it! We now have a beautiful rolled fondant. This can be used to cover cakes or make fondant toppers. Now if we're making this ahead of time or we have some leftovers, this is how we store it. First, we will roll it into a log or ball and then thinly coat it with lard. Then we are going to cover it in cling wrap and then store it in an airtight container. You can then store this overnight at room temperature or in a fridge for a couple of weeks. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. See you again next week. Happy baking!